Hey people, I got a sliding glass display case lock here. It's a 4 wafer, single-sided 4 wafer lock. I'm going to use the back side of a short hook to get in there and lift the first wafer.
Which one needs my counseling?
I don't know if you can see in there or not, but
line up. Well, here's
you can see the first wafer right there.
What's going on? Well, Reverend,
Anyways,
this here is Robin.
so I'm going to go ahead and lift the first wafer. There's one.
Was born a man, and her niece isn't very happy about the fact that she changed genders. So this young lady here is the one.
There we go.
Yes.
Okay, so this would go through the plexiglass, and when the window slid into place, you push this button in, and it keeps it from sliding. So, cigarettes up here in Canada are quite the commodity, so you know they got to keep them under heavy security. There's a bypass for it as well. So there you have it. Peace. Don't break the law.